In this video, we'll show you how to change the windshield wipers on your Dodge Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Lift the wiper blade arm up until it's locked in the upper position. To take the blade off, turn it perpendicular to the arm and push. To avoid any accidents, place the arm delicately onto the windshield. Before doing so, place a folded piece of paper towel on the windshield to protect it. You can order the windshield wipers used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, sliding it into the housing. Place the arm back down gently. Operation complete.